In this video, I will show you how to scan an app on the Play Store. To get started, open up the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Next, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile picture, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Once in the Manage Apps and Device section, tap on this option. Next, tap on the Scan button. This action initiates a thorough examination of all installed applications. Once the scan is complete, you will receive notifications regarding any security risks detected during this process. If any harmful behaviors or viruses are identified in your apps or system, they will be clearly outlined in this report. If any issues arise from the scan results, take immediate action. You might need to uninstall certain apps or follow recommended steps provided by Google Play Protect, a built-in feature designed specifically for user safety. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.